Manitoba's health minister is hinting at further restrictions in the province to curb a troubling spike in COVID-19 numbers. The current rules just aren't working, he says. The cases continue to climb. Another record-breaking day yesterday that is now putting a strain on hospitals, particularly in Winnipeg. Natalie Nanowski is with us this morning. And again, Natalie, officials saying they need to talk about what to do next.
Yes, Heather, they already put in some restrictions. They closed down bars, they closed down nightclubs, they limited the number of people that can gather inside to about 5 people. But health officials say that that is not working. The province recorded its highest caseload yet yesterday with 193 new COVID-19 cases and 97 people in hospital. Also, there was a new death yesterday, bringing the province's death toll to about 62. And if you look at the positive cases in the province over the course of 5 days, the province has also broken a new record there. We have a graph of that over the course of 5 days, the number of test positive cases has gone up. That province is now recording a rate of 7.8% of tests that are conducted come back positive. So that is rather high. The province also notes that most of these cases that are coming back due to private gatherings. A lot of the new cases right now have been linked back to Thanksgiving gatherings. And also, health officials there say that people continue to go out even when they're sick and showing symptoms. So Manitoba's health minister says it is time to crack down because people aren't listening.
We are at a crossroads as a province. These numbers are not going in the right direction. We must take action to keep people safe. If any Manitoban would think about getting a positive case result and not be able to simply say who they were principally in contact with over the last couple of days, that would be a problem. That's why the advice to not be socializing in the way you normally would. This is a time for all Manitobans to take this very seriously.
Health officials there also saying that they're having a difficult time, Heather, contact tracing. As you heard the health minister there say that people should not be going out, limiting their social circles as well. So those new rules new rules on social circles and gatherings are expected to come sometime today from there. We also know that the province is experiencing some outbreaks in hospitals, in long-term care homes, and in schools as well. Heather?
Parkview Place, we've talked about, Natalie, the deadliest outbreak in Manitoba. Certainly, though, Manitoba is not the only province where the numbers are not going in the right direction. BC saying it's in a danger zone. So how about we turn to the other western provinces for a look there, Natalie, as well?
Of course, let's take a look at Alberta first. That province there is seeing record figures. It has 5,000 active cases, and yesterday it reported about 477 new cases. If we go over to BC, that province as well, it saw about 234 new cases of COVID-19, with many of its new cases coming from indoor gatherings. That province there also linking a lot of the new infections to the Thanksgiving holiday. And the province also explained that one person lost their life due to an intimate family gathering. That was a woman in her 80s. Have a listen to the health minister.
This is a person in their 80s who attended a small birthday party, and by small, less than 10 people were at this home. The majority of people who were in that home became infected with COVID-19, and this person unfortunately ended up in hospital and dying from it. It reminds us that this virus can't tell the difference, and even a small gathering when this virus is circulating can be dangerous.
So again, the province putting out new regulations on outdoor and indoor gatherings. It's urging everyone to keep numbers low to about 6 people and to gather outside whenever possible. The province is also urging people that with the upcoming festivities this weekend with Halloween to really rethink the way people do Halloween. Don't hold Halloween parties, and if you are going to be doing something for their children, maybe limit it to an outdoor scavenger hunt with treats outside.